the temperature of Mumbai is rising day by day. And as you might already know that this is summer time, and in summer the temperature of Mumbai goes up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is insane. So that's why I have decided to purchase an air conditioner. I have searched lots and lots of air conditioner in the market, but the prices of air conditioner are very high this time because of the summer season. You know the economics, when there is demand, the price of any product will go up. So that's why the prices of any air conditioner are very high. But I found this air conditioner. This is a Billion 1.5 ton 3-star inverter AC. This is 3-star as per 2018, not as per 2017, from Billion brand. This brand is from Flipkart. So yeah, basically in this video I'm going to tell you everything about this Flipkart's Billion 1.5 ton 3-star inverter AC. And I bought this from Flipkart on 13th May for rupees 26,499, which is a very awesome deal. So yeah, let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So guys, as you see that this AC I have bought from Flipkart is a Billion 1.5 ton 3-star inverter AC, and I bought this AC for 26,500 rupees, which is a great deal for a inverter AC with 1.5 ton capacity and 3-star 2018 rating, which is amazing, I would say that. Because when you go and buy some other brands like Voltas and Daikin, they will cost you around 35 to 40,000 rupees, which is insane in my opinion. But as compared to them, I got this deal in very cheap price. And right now the price of this air conditioner is around 28,500. I got this on offer that Flipkart is running. So don't worry, today is another sale is happening on Flipkart. So if you want to buy this, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can check the latest price. So now guys, let me tell you that this Billion is a very new brand in India, and they have already built a smartphone too, and that smartphone called Billion Capture Plus. I think you might have heard about that smartphone. My channel is based on a smartphone, and this brand makes a smartphone too, so that's why I'm making this video. And there is no videos on this AC, that is also why I'm making this video, and I will tell you everything about this air conditioner in this video. So let's begin. Let's start the unboxing. So guys, this is the outdoor unit packaging. As you see, it says 1 year warranty on product, 5 year warranty on compressor, and this is the basic box guys. Let's do the unboxing. By the way, this sticker shows that who made this, from where it is come from, and all the other specifications. So if you want to read it, just pause the screen and read it. So yeah, now guys, let's cut this cables or ropes, whatever you say it, and let's lift the box. Yeah, I know that we don't have to cut this tapes, we just have to lift the box like this. And in the box, first of all, we got this pipes. As you see, this pipe helps to connect indoor unit to outdoor unit. These are 2 pipes around 9 feet long. If you don't have a huge balcony or something like that, then this pipe might be enough for you. But I have to connect it on my balcony, which is far from where I have to install my indoor unit. So that's why I have to purchase separately some other copper pipes. So yeah, I will tell you everything about them in later part of the video. Let's put this pipe aside and let's remove this plastic. So guys, this is the Flipkart's Billion AC's outdoor unit, as you see over here. So guys, as you see, this is a Billion branding on front. As you see, it looks quite good. The build quality is not that amazing, I would say, for the first impression. I mean, as you see, you got what you pay for. And on the front, you will see Billion branding and the plastic cover for fans. And the quality of this seems pretty okay, I would say. On the left side, you will see this 2 pipe connection. The copper pipe connects over here, and after that, there is a sticker called R32. That means this AC can take R32 refrigerant, which is good, I would say. R32 refrigerant is quite good and quite environmental friendly too. And above that, we got 3-star rating sticker. So as you see, it says ISEER. That means it is a 2018 3-star AC, not a 2017. Basically 2017's 3-star AC. Nowadays it will gonna be 1-star AC, and this is a basically 5-star AC from last year. So yeah, and this is the opening where wiring has been happened. There is nothing on the top is clean. And as you see, this is how right side look like, and this is how it looks like from the back. As you see, this is a thermometer. It can capture the temperature basically to adjust the internal temperature. And by the way guys, this AC is built with copper condenser, not aluminum condenser. The aluminum condenser are very bad, as some of my friends said, and my friend who installed the air conditioner is also said that the aluminum condenser are bad and copper condenser are much better as compared to aluminum condenser. So that's why I have bought this copper condenser one. The aluminum condenser one cost 21,000, which I'm not going to recommend that air conditioner. I'm recommending this one. So guys, this is a pipe which came in the box. Use this pipe only with the indoor unit because I have done some mistakes. I will tell you in the later part of the video. So guys, now let's unbox the indoor unit. This is a box of indoor unit. Here also it says 1 year warranty on product, 5-year warranty on compressor. This is the box, as you see, from top, from bottom, from sides, as you see here. This is a sticker, lots of information mentioned over here. If you want to read it, just pause the screen and read it. Let's cut the seal and let's cut this rope too. Let's open this air conditioner's box. First of all, when I open the box, as you see, this is how it looks. Let me remove the indoor unit from inside this box. In the box, you will get this pouch. So I'm sorry about the background noises guys, there is a construction going on my neighbor. So yeah, in this pouch basically you will get user manual, some screws, 2 AAA cells for a remote, and 2 copper nuts to connecting the pipe to the indoor or outdoor unit and the remote control itself. Then we got this pipe here. This is a basically drainage pipe, and this will drain the excess water from AC. So after that you will get some cables to connect indoor unit to outdoor unit. This is a very high quality cable, as you see over here. Let's see the indoor unit itself. As you see here guys, this is the indoor unit. Let me remove it from this plastic wrapping. After that, as you see, you got this cable attached with the indoor unit. This is the main power cable. Now let me show you the air conditioner itself, the indoor unit. This the backside which connects to the wall basically. Now as you see here, this is the top portion guys. This is where from AC sucks the air inside it, and this is that front portion. It's very clean design. The edges or rims are silver color and the main portion is white. In terms of styling, it looks quite good, but the plastic quality that they use, it's not very high quality. The plastic quality is okay, I would say. I can say that you got what you paid for, and on front you have the Billion branding, and this is by the way display. After some time the installation guys came. The installation cost on Flipkart is 1600 rupees, and you will have to pay extra for copper pipe if it is required, 750 rupees per meter to be exact, and wiring and board will cost you around 600 rupees. And yeah, so these are installation charges guys on Flipkart basically, but I have done the installation locally, so he takes around 1200 rupees for installation, and the distance from my indoor unit to outdoor unit is huge, so that's why I have to purchase extra 10 to 12 feet with this copper pipe. That cost me around 2500 rupees, but yeah, it is what it is. I have to pay for the extra copper pipe. But here they have made some mistakes. The installation guys basically, they have to put this pipe in the indoor unit, but instead they have put that new pipe in the indoor unit. So as you see guys, this part has been swelled up because of thick insulation pipe that has been installed in this area, and there is very less amount of space in this area. That's why it's been swelled up. So guys, this is how it looks after installation. As you see, it looks quite good in terms of styling. It for 26,500 rupees, it is very good. And this is the display basically. Here you can see temperature and some other settings. So yeah guys, now let me show you the remote. So guys, this is a remote. As you see here, this is how it looks. It has Billion branding. This yellow button used to be the power button basically. You can use this button to turn on and turn off the AC, and you have this green buttons which can be used to control the temperature basically. Then you have this vertical sweep button from which you can control the sweeping option, that up and down motion. And there is a horizontal sweep option that is called H sweep, as you see. And there is a health button, which is basically health button. Then you guys have this mode button from where you can control which mode you want to use, basically humidity, cool, hot, or there is lots of modes over here. And then after that you have this speed mode. Basically it can control the fan in the indoor unit. And after that you have this turbo mode. Basically you can use this turbo mode to chill the house really quickly. After that, you get this display button. You can use this display button to turn on or turn off the display basically. So in the night, if you don't want to see the temperature and if you want to turn off the display, basically you can use this to turn off the display. It will not going to irritate you in the night. So yeah, these are all the buttons, guys. There is a setting, timer, quiet mode. Yeah, quiet mode is very useful for me basically when I record audios like this one. So right now the air conditioner is on and I'm recording it within the quiet mode. And now as you see, this is a stand which I have installed over here. So yeah, so guys, as my first impression, I would say that this AC is very good. The cooling of this air conditioner is amazing, I would say. I'm using this AC for 3 to 5 days now and the cooling capacity is pretty dope. There is no problem in cooling. Everything seems pretty good right now. There is no problem I face here. But basically this is my first impression. I don't see any problem in this AC right now. So if I will face any problem regarding this AC, I will update you in my channel basically. So if you haven't to subscribe this channel yet, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. So guys, basically I have purchased this AC from Flipkart. So if you want to purchase this AC, then I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase this air conditioner. So these are all the things, guys, that I want to tell you about this AC. If you have any more questions, queries about this air conditioner or anything, just let me know in the comment section below. I will surely answer that question or that query. So yeah, these are all the things, guys, that I want to tell you about this Flipkart's Billion 1.5 ton inverter AC, which is 3-star from 2018 rating. So that's all in this video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. Please guys, share this video with your friends who want to buy an air conditioner in budget price. These are very good and very budget range AC. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.